John, come over here.
Oh, they're worms.
John, come over here. Feed them.
They're worms. They eat worms. Oh my gosh, this is worms.
Feed him, Nellie. He's waiting for you. He jumped on John.
Oh no!
Feed him, Nellie.
I will. Here. Oh my gosh. No.
Just one at a time.
Oh my gosh, they ate most of it. Anyway. Daddy, this is scary. You have it. Hide it from him. So you won't get it. Oh my gosh, he jumped all over me. He jumped on me.
Good, John. Go feed him. Go sit on that bench and feed him. Go feed him. Go sit. Go sit on the bench. It's okay. Go sit. John, don't be scared.
Why did they jump on me?
Because you have food. Get it in your hand, John.
I'm going to put on my Gap jacket.
John, you're so scared.
He's eating from it. He's eating from our hands, like we do. Ew, he's disgusting. He doesn't eat raspberries. He doesn't eat